Hi, I'm Ronak Kapoor. I may have a small watch obsession.
And I'm Prateek. I'm the one who keeps his obsession from going out of control.
Together, we run Kapoor Watch Company, a legacy which was started by our grandfather.
Today, we are here to welcome you to our new service center built over 4,000 square feet. I can proudly say it's the largest integrated multi-brand workshop for servicing timepieces in the country.